Yo, I knew I messed up. I just didn't know how badly I messed up. Alright, you guys should be able to comment now, right? There you go. Dope. Alright, dope, dope, dope. Dope, dope, dope. Let me check it out from here too. It should pop up for me now. Let me refresh this screen. Y'all gotta be patient with me, guys. I'm not the best when it comes to this. What is this? Get a chance to start. Okay, go back. I don't care about all this nonsense. Okay. Start. Guess go back. Alright, now it's being a little bit weird by not letting me actually go on my studio so I can see what you guys are commenting. Just be patient with me, boys. Be patient with me. Still getting used to this. I'm new to this, bro. Whoever knows. But I did get my face in here now. As you guys can see, I did finally get my face in here. Do I get... I got the live chat. Let's go. Alright. I got the live chat. Let's freaking go. Alright, dope. Alright, dope. Alright. Now let's see what damage we can do. Alright. And then I wanted to also go live on TikTok. Yeah. Need to go live on TikTok as well. Day trader and go live. I don't know why it takes this all the way up here right off the bat, so I'll go ahead and get rid of that real quick. There we go. Should be fine. But let me go ahead and make an announcement for everybody to know. And add Equinox member, add free member, add everyone. And on live on, I'll just put live on YT and TikTok. Now. There you go. Alright. I'll just wait for a couple people to pop in, and then where's that boy ZZ? I'm not sure yet. He's gonna hop on here in a little bit. Give him some time. He'll hop on. Just requested another $1,700 payout, so let's see if we can get that back today. We can make that amount back, right? It is Sunday, so size lighter today. Obviously, it is Sunday. Gotta size in extremely light because it is Sunday. Check on my video quality. Is it good or is it pretty shit? Oh no, it's actually pretty damn good. Oh, okay. It's actually solid quality. I like that. YouTube has good quality. YouTube has great quality. I like that. The H-Town heat is insane. Crazy right now. Crazy work from H-Town right now. Houston got the wildest heat right now. H-Town got the craziest heats right now. Heat wave, for real. So I'm checking, I'm just looking around on the footprint right now for a little bit. GC. Alright, let's go ahead and do some analysis real quick. Let's check on gold real quick. I knew it, man. Man, if this trade didn't stop me, I would have bagged like 13 grand on this trade, dude. I would have bagged 13,000 on this trade, dude. Man, it is what it is. Alright, whatever. We're definitely bearish until we get to this low. We could find support here around the 313s, 310s. We could find support there. Now, gold is already kind of in a decent range too. Like the move has already kind of happened. I'm not gonna lie. On YouTube too. No, I'm on YouTube too as well. I'm on YouTube. If you guys want to watch less delay, then go on YouTube. If you want less delay, go on YouTube. How do you calculate your lot sizes for futures? I don't really calculate the lot sizes. What it do, bro? Don't really calculate the lot sizes as much. I'm just really focused on getting the... Yeah, it is on YouTube. I put it there today. Look, I'm on YouTube and on here. On both. Let's go. I'm on both today. Yeah. You can go check on YouTube and here, both. So I'm gonna be taking 2 trades again. I want to be really kind of conservative about the amount that I want to risk, right? I want to pay the monthly membership before prices increase. Go for it, man. The link is in my bio. But again, understand that this is not I do not just sell signals or offer signals, right? It's not just a signals group. It's actually a place for you to learn, etc. So understand that. Just going ahead. But for now, I'm not seeing anything. At the moment, I am not seeing shit. Just gotta wait. 4 hour did push a 2 down. Could see a rejection possibly to these lows off of this. Fell to up 2 down. Could possibly push these lows, have a reaction back down to here. Now NQ for me, I think this week is going to be bearish, push down. Reason for that is because we're trading to this highs right here, and this is a very important range to reject off of at least a little bit. Have some kind of pullback back down. At the same time, gold needs that rejection as well for it to continue pushing back bullish. To go for that, what's it called? To go for that all-time high break, because I think gold right now rejecting it's really not fitting well with me. But let's see 1000 ticks chart real quick. Who's winning this battle? Yeah, we just gotta wait for now. I think Asia opens up here in a little bit. We just wait for that. We see what's gonna happen from there. Okay. Hi YouTube, what's going on? Turbo, you're so cute. I'm not cute, bro. You're cute, bro. You're cute. Let me pop my Zinni. Man, you are such a... What the... Turbo is actually such a cutie. I'm not all that, bro. I'm mid. Damn, you're cute today, guys. You see the headset, yo? Or this side? You guys see this? It's ripped. And you know how it ripped? Because my cat decided to go fuck around and just play with it. So here we are. Here I am with this. So I gotta go buy a new headset. For now, I'll take this off because it's not really important. I'm not listening to anything, whatnot. So it's not really important. But when Z gets on the call with us, then I do have to pop that motherfucker back on. Right? Obviously. But for now, it's not really important. We don't really need it. Oh, guys. I definitely need a new headset. That shit dropped. Brody tried to change the subject with the headset. Yo. You're not supposed to catch me slipping like that, yo. Here. I put on my $5 glasses from Target. These are just blue light glasses. Let's see what we can catch. I'm trying to see if we can find us a good move to play off of today. Let me move the mic a little bit. There you go. Just want a good move to play off of. On the DOM, we don't have much really going on except for the high day. I mean, if we find a setup on gold to push bullish, I would love to test it out. But at the moment, nothing yet. This would have been a nice play, but obviously would have not hit TP. Inside bar on the 5. We have a momentum shooter on the 30 minutes, closing here in about a couple more minutes left. Interesting. We have hourly, doji hourly. Not the best. I'm gonna be real, not the best price action right now so far. I might skip out on the day. I'm gonna be real, I might skip out on the day. Because I did request a payout already. I don't know if I wanna force anything yet. Bro, such a cutie, but yo, guys, we need to lock in, guys. I'm saying, like, I think the best thing I could do right now is probably skip out on this price action because it's really slow. But we'll wait until, like, we'll give it another 30 minutes, an hour, and then we could decide what we want to do from there. Valid. Requested 3 payouts, actually. I want to lock your hand in marriage. Cute. All right. Yo, how much? What's your net worth? We gotta look at it as an investment. Today we are drinking Zoa Wild Orange W drink. Tomorrow on Discord, I'll be trading my Express account, which is a different account, and we're gonna go with that throughout New York because I feel like this week is gonna be a nice week. It's gonna be a killer week, so I think I'll be trading that account. But we'll see. We'll see how it depends. Top Step got hacked. I don't know if you should be trading. It's an assumption. So Top Step being hacked, that's something that people are assuming. It's not very, like, it's not clear on what happened exactly yet, but they did send out emails. Apparently they did get, like, some kind of hack or something happened. But they did get some kind of let me see this. They did get some kind of something happened with their emails. That's why they sent out to everybody, like, oh, there's the emails, etc. Now, if we break this inside 15 to the downside, I would like to try shorts. Just please, guys, manage your risk, like, very, very strict. Go in smaller, lighter. I'm going to go in with MGC instead of even GC myself. I don't even want to be risking that much. But we could play this to continue that 4-hour bearish and to push down on the hourly. Yeah. So if we can get that, maybe if we find a better entry on lower time frame, we do have another inside right here on the 5. We could look out for. Okay, did break a 2 down. All right, I'm gonna go in with 15 right now. 15 contracts right here. Target these lows. For now, stops will go up here. Again, please make sure you guys are not going in with too heavy of sizing. I'm only in with 15. Again, my account size is fine with this, so please manage your risk, but we should be a-okay. I would like to add more to that position. I would love to add more. I would love to add more to shorts. I would love to add more to shorts. If we can get another fill here, I'll put a sell limit here. Let me see. A little bit above that. So you guys can see on the DOM, it has the 337, it has 315 orders. Our stops is at, you know what? No. Stop loss has to go higher than that. Stop loss has to go higher than this. I don't like the level. Oh, wait. 40. Never mind. Yeah. This is valid. Yeah, never mind. This is fine. Put it up here above this on the wick kind of. And then if we can get filled in here with more contracts, another like 10 would be fine. If I can get filled there, that's fine with me. And I want to go for these lows again. If it lets me fill, that'd be awesome. I am risking a little bit again, but this is fine. This account is up big, so what? It just didn't fill me? Are you joking? Okay, well, I'm moving it up a little bit more than that then. If it's not going to fill me, then I'm going to move it up a little bit more. If it's not going to fill me, I'm going to move it up a little bit more. 337.0 is solid. 33.37 is not bad, and also 33.4 is not bad. I think 7.2 is in between. I go with that. Yeah, that's fine. If it fills me with these 10 more, freaking fire. If it doesn't, oh well. If it fills me with more, that would be awesome. If it doesn't, why is my mouse acting a little suspicious right now? If it doesn't, if it just goes in our favor, good. I am happy with the amount. I think I'll just trade one trade today, which is just this shorts right here. Let me see if ZZ's on right now. Yo, Z, what you got to say YouTube and TikTok?
Yo.
What you got to say to YouTube and TikTok? Subscribe, comment. Let's see. Going good, bro. Just went into shorts right now on GC. I want to see if we can keep pushing back down towards lower day, break lower day, and we push lower than that. Would be awesome. Extremely choppy. Horrible PA right now so far, to be honest with you. Horrible price action so far. I'm going to add 3 more contracts to my position here. And then I want to add 10 more over there. This is MGC, by the way, keep in mind. Just going to take one trade today. Only one trade. I don't think we'll hold these lows, so I strongly doubt we'll hold these lows. We'll push back down, break these lows, push back even lower towards lower day. We should expect this gap to be filled on the bottom throughout this overnight session. Maybe I'll hold the trade overnight if it does let me. But yeah, would love to take some out if we can push a little bit more, but for now I'm just leaving it where it's at, which is a little bit above lower day. We could move it a little bit down towards lower day. I just wanted to go towards lower day. Alicia is goated. I'm not gonna lie, she is actually the GOAT. She is the freaking GOAT. We are ranging in the same place. Asia opens in 30 minutes, no? Asia opens in 30 more minutes, if I'm not mistaken. I doubt we'll go for that high, but I do want to get an average in them. Thank you for the gifts, PD. Probably not. Just depends. I am working on a lot of things for the Discord. I'm working on a lot of projects for you guys, so I am gonna be a little bit busy, but we should be fine. All right, give me 1 sec. ZZ will also be going live on YouTube today. I mean, this is rejections that's coming in right now. It's not really as important unless we push that low. We should have that flush down. I mean, doesn't look like we're going to get filled. Doesn't look like it's going to fill us on the other contracts, which is fine. I know I'll be a-okay. Yeah, from the looks of it, we're not going to get filled on the other contracts, so I'll go ahead and remove them for now. Just keeping these for now, and we'll see how this goes basically. Since we're already showing that weakness, which is nice. I would move my stops here, but not yet. Till we I want like a full body close. I want to see the 30s get ran through, and we jump down. Or the 30s kind of get ran through down to the 20s would be nice. There you go. Nice volume right there on that rejection. Where is take profit? 3328.2 right now. It's sitting. Good rejections. Not really liking that move up. Not liking that move up. Yeah, not liking that move up. I'll go ahead and move my stops a little bit higher over here. Let's check that 15-minute real quick. Yeah. Stops above this high. I do not want to see us coming back up there, testing out this range. So I'm risking 600 right now. That's more than enough for me on this position. A little bit above that inside bar on the 30. I'm happy with. And I would like to add more to my position here. Yeah, I would like to add more to my position here. Stops is right above that 30 minutes failed to up. Inside bar, sorry, inside bar. I want to see us come back down, push a 2 down would be solid. Would be solid. Is there SMT? I don't trade SMTs or none of that nonsense, man. Decent buying pressure right here, but not enough for me to be convicted into going longs on it, to be honest. At least not yet, for me personally. But I'm only going to take one trade today because it is Sunday. I'm not in a rush. This is just the start of the week. So, of course, manage risk. Make sure you're not oversizing. Regardless if the trade goes in our favor or goes against us, you don't want to be in a position where you put yourself vulnerable. You want to be in a position where price can give you money and at the same time you're not vulnerable, right? That's the idea. So we could only, protect our losses. When it comes to our profits, we can only assume that it will play out nicely, which this is the idea. And protecting your losses is the big part of it. Now I want to see a rejection again from the 30s. I want to see us bring down from the 30s. I do not want to see us come back up from the 30s. The weakness is there, but just the buyers. You see that was orders on time and sales, man? Insane, insane. Insane. Come on, let's say goodbye to the 30s. Let's say goodbye to the 30s. Come on. Anything above 33, I want to say goodbye to. I want to drop back down to the 20s. Come on. Come on, gold. Give me the 30s weakness right there. Give us that 30s weakness. Push back down towards low of day. Reject off of low of day would be very amazing. Would be really solid. I'll go ahead and secure some I'll put limit buys. So I'll secure some over here, for example. I'll secure some over here. 10 over here. I'll secure some, I'll just put it right there. And if we raid through this whole area, that's solid. But in case, because what gold has been legit giving me those wicks. And that's what I hate about gold. And then I'll put, so we have 5, 10, and the rest, I guess, towards over here. Just fine with me. Just a little bit. Just putting those limits right here. Just because I'm trying to scalp it. I'm not in a, But yeah. Where's take profit? Take profit is anything below 329. Anything below 329.9 is where I want to see gold go to. Anything below that level would be very solid. So if we can get that rejection back down, it would be solid. Again, we're not really we have trapped buyers here. We have a lot of people that are buying, but they're so far trapped. So far. As far as right now, they are trapped buyers. They're in the wrong position right now at the moment because price is still pushing weak even though buyers are stepping in or buyers are trying to hold price up. Buyers are still not as aggressive as sellers are. Just got to kind of wait right now and that's it. Again, that's really what we can do. Manage your risk always. Remember that. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Yeah, I'm not stressing it. Nah, I ain't stressing it. Guys on TikTok that want to see the full chart, you can go on the YouTube and watch the live on YouTube as well. You can see the full chart on there. Just gotta be patient. 5-minute close is crazy. Yeah, but I'm not worried about it. We have the 30-minute. Also 4-hour, I want to see push down. And then we have the hourly, which is still inside right now so far, but showing weakness. Unless it closes at the 2 up, then I want to be in and out. Also, the 30 minutes is what I'm playing off of right here. So 30-minute inside bar broken to the downside. That's the idea. So we do not come back up, test out these highs. We continue pushing bearish to these lows. But again, that's just the probability for it. Let's see how it goes. Turbo to 1K subs by the end of the month. Maybe. Would be dope. Would be dope, guys. Would be amazing. Would be amazing. Not liking the wick on the 5. It's not the best, but yeah, we're in the position here. We just gotta be patient. Close trade, it's wrong. You know, these people. Just paying attention to the YouTube comments, not really paying attention to. These TikTok comments are insane. These TikTok comments are insane. Everybody's saying like, close the trade, it's wrong. Bro, I have a stop loss, I have a TP. Just wait. Let's just wait. If it hits stop loss, it's not the end of the world. We move on. We take a next trade. Maybe tomorrow, right? During New York. That's it. Right? Simple. If it hits take profit, good. Oh, we booked profits. We'll move on. Right? So, no, bro, close the trade. Wrong trade, bro. No. Why would you do that? Relax. Breathe. Take a chill pill, bro. Don't be stressing it that much. It's just trading. You're just trading. Relax. Have a good day. You're in a good mood. Make the day better, you know? Relax. Relax. We could just, you know. Let me see what YouTube is saying. Actual hate school, Turbo 1K. So, why are you not saying what you're trading? It's literally right there on the screen, boss. It's right there. It says MGC, right? TikTok is all haters and repetitive questions. Yeah, they just ask the same questions over and over. That's why I'm not like really paying attention to it, because it's just the same questions or same comments repeated, right? But yeah, me and you in the exact trade right now, but went long. Either win or I do. Good luck, have fun. Good luck, man. See how it goes. We see how it goes. We shall see how it goes. I don't really want us to push up to a high day or anything like that. Stops is not the best location. I'm not gonna lie about that, but I'm fine with where it's at right now. Like I don't want to risk more than this. If we go all the way up here, then I want to be out of that position. So if we come back up to the 338s, I mean we could put it at 340s, but I don't want to put it there. I'm here where it's at right now. It's fine with me. It is fine with me. Turbo, you fuck with Luki? I'm not sure who that is, to be honest with you. I'm gonna be real. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. Lucky in the house. Jose, what's going on, bro? What is going on? What is going on? A lot of selling pressure right here. I'm gonna add maybe 3 more to my position here. 4 more might add to my position here, depending on how we do on this 5. Let me see. We don't have the best stop loss. That's the problem. The problem is I don't have the best stop loss, so. Spikes up, takes me out. I'm fine with that. That's okay with me. I don't want to see a 3 bar on the 30. I don't want to see that, really. Not interested in that, so we'll see. Let's see. Let us see. Okay. I'm going to add 4 more to my position here. Really liking it. Like I said, I really like the bearish move, but I just want to see that follow through. I'll have a limit buy over here for 5. Just going to increase like maybe $100 to my loss if we do take an L. So, not really stressing it. Again, not really stressing it. Uh-oh. Order filled. Uh-oh. Order filled. Here it comes. Here's the liquidity comments. Let's see it. I do read comments on YouTube, not on TikTok. Here comes the "you were my liquidity" comments. Let's see it. Yeah, we just have the, like, I have the worst stop loss placement right now, to be honest. That's what I think about this trade. But yeah. Yeah. I'm about to get those comments. Hey, you were my liquidity. Oh my god. This is the... That's why I've not paid attention to YouTube, to be honest. Not stressing it. This 30 breaks a 2 up. I do want to exit that position. Where's the hourly? Yeah, breaks a 2 up. I want to be out. I do not want to be in that position. I'm going to be real honest. Because we broke a 2 down. I do not want to see us come back up to these highs. I don't see. The setup is basically just a 2-1-2 reversal, right? So 2, 1, 2, and then continuation right here. I want to see a price push back down. That's the idea behind the setup. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I don't have the best stop loss placement right now at the moment. So I see like price might come stop us out and then push back bearish, which would be annoying as hell. But that's fine with me. Again, I'm not really worried. There it is. Order filled. It's literally like a tick off of it right now. There it is. Got stopped out. Got stopped out. Let me cancel all these orders. Okay. Yeah, it's all good. I feel like price, the way I look at it is price is going to still be bearish to these lows, but I guess stop loss placement was not the best. So that's fine. That is fine with me. Haters arrived. Yeah, you're good, bro. Let them. It's okay. The strat BTW. Yeah, the strat actually. Yeah, I'm happy with the strat, man. But yeah, don't end twin. Nah, not yet. We're waiting for now. What's going on, Z? Dubs. W's. Yeah, I don't really see the bull continuation here, yo. I'm still looking for shorts, but let's see. Got stopped out on the first trade. Not that big of a loss for me. We'll go for the next trade. Turn up ZZ. I don't even know how to do that, to be honest. Let me check. Toxie?
What up, TikTokers and YouTubers?
I think YouTube could hear you better now. I'm not sure about TikTok, but yeah.
Oh shit, okay. I need to go get something.
Bro's gonna be green by the start of New York. Just wait, man. That's what I'm saying. People will see one trade. Like these hateful comments, I hope they stay whenever we catch a good trade and we're in a winning trade. I hope they stay, but they don't. So that's why I'm not worried about them, man. If you're not getting these kinds of comments, you're obviously not doing something right, right? That's the whole point. That's the whole point. And those comments make you, you know, they give you that ego boost because you're doing something good. Nah, bro, when Turbo catches the move, he catches the move. Yeah, I'm saying, bro, when we clap the move, we get that motherfucker. We catch it, right? But I'm not worried. I'm not, again, if there's any hate, you know, you have to be okay with it. You have to be fine with it. At the end of this is social media. A lot of people will hate on people for doing literally absolutely nothing. I could post a video of me just flexing and someone will be like, oh, you're so skinny. So I can't really, like, you know, hate on them. It's not about that. It's really just let them do their thing, bro. Let them do their thing. See how Asia pops open here in like 3 more minutes. Man, I really don't want to see that move up. I don't see gold moving up for no reason. Sí, otro. Sí, otro. Did Cal end up listening yesterday? Looks like he tries something every stream. I give up on him, man. I'm okay. I gave up on that dude. Q, like, I tried to sit down and talk to him. I tried to, like, you know, kind of give him that handout, etc. But he was ignoring, you know, if it was an ICT trader that probably told him the same thing, he would have, you know, he would have been very happy. But it is what it is. I can't really control him. You know, at the end of the day, he makes his own choices. He's a grown man. Tried to help him. He didn't accept the hand, and good luck to him. That's all I'm gonna say.
Hey, how am I? Yo, question.
Yeah.
How am I gonna get my TikTok camera to show it.
Open up on OBS, click on start virtual camera, and then use the start virtual camera. Use that as a
As like a source.
yeah, yeah. I'm gonna try out shorts again here. I want to try out shorts again for that lower day push. I really want to see that lower day be taken out, man. I really want to see that lower day being taken out. But this position, a little bit less risk. Not gonna take on heavy risk on this. Maybe 500, maybe even less than that if we can get that a little bit of rejection more down. Let me see. I'm giving it one more shot. Yeah, let me see. Okay, and if it fills me here with more, that would be solid. I'll add let's sell more 10 here. So at the a little bit above that wick, if we can get that fill, would be awesome. Would be awesome. I do not see a move up, I see a move down. So let's see how it does. I want to see us come back towards low a day. Oh my god. What is gold doing? Relax. Fill us in other ones and then do your thing. Fill us on other contracts and then do your thing, bro. No? No, I guess not. Okay, well I guess I'll just get rid of this since we're already moving decently right now to towards the low. Secure it at lower day. We'll see how this goes. Not gonna even risk 500. I'm really gonna risk like this high right here. So, but I just want to see that move down before I can move up my stops. But for now, we're just waiting, patiently waiting, and that's it. Let me see. Oh yeah. Would be solid to these lows. Yeah, we would be solid to these lows. If this push is bearish, we should be solid to these lows. But I'll just secure it here. I'm not gonna get greedy. I know myself, I've been getting greedy too much, and that's how I get cooked. I don't want to be greedy. I'll secure it at 1500. 1 to 2. We can move on. Yeah, I'm in shorts. I am in on shorts. Let's see how shorts do. Oh, you guys can't see the price. My bad. I don't like it there, boss. I like it here, man. All right. I really don't like it there. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Let's see this hourly low being taken out. So this would be a 212 bearish reversal. That's low a day, and then we have, or I mean, the hourly low would push down to low a day. 30 minutes pushes the 2 down. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Make your picture smaller. Maybe give me a sec. Let me Who messaged me? One sec, guys. Back. I trade on Top Step, New York and Asia.
I'm trying NQ short. I'm not in live yet, but I'm trying NQ long then.
NQ longs?
Yes, NQ long.
Okay. This thing is full of sugar, but I'm testing it out. I don't know. I saw it and I was craving this grape flavored thing. I was like, okay, you know what? Yeah, I wanted to try it out, yo. But it's too much sugar. It's too sweet. I don't like it. Alright. See this? Fell two up. Yeah. I'm going to add 5 more contracts here, guys, to my position. Same stop loss for now. And that would be my last add to the position. See a push back down to these lows. Break these lows. Form a 2 down on the 15. Push back down. Also the hourly inside bar broken. Push back down to these lows. Would be solid. Would be solid. Can we reject from the... I don't like I don't want to see 40s. The idea is I do not want to see 340. Right? I want to see us like trade below 330. Anything below 330 is valid on GC, but anything above 340, I don't know about that. Personally, not into it. Just in my opinion, though. My opinion is just my opinion. My opinion is not financial advice in no shape or form. Right? Yes, so the breakdown on this setup is pretty simple. 4 hour is already bearish right here. We have this bearish as a 4 hour. We did trade up, yes, sure. We have still a failed to down at the moment, which we kind of are trading the same high of it. On the hourly time frame, we formed an inside bar consolidation after this big move down. Maybe what we could see is break of this to downside, continue that bearish move. Gold should be moving back up, not towards maybe the mid of this month or maybe second week, etc. I want to see gold pushing back towards... Oh, there's the VWAP rejection. Let's see. Can we get that rejection down to these lows? Would be hella solid. Would be hella solid if we could reject down all the way to these lows. Wow, the hateful comments are gone right now because we're in profits. Keep hating, guys. If it's still not a good trade, we still have not profited, but you could still hate, by the way. You could still hate. But yeah, 4 hour bearish. I want to see a 2 down. Oh my god, that volume on there is insane. Insane volume. Insane volume. What a rejection right there. Can we get that 2 down on gold? Can we get that 2 down? Insane rejection. Yeah, take profit is down to here. I'm happy with this. So TP would be down towards low day. If I really want to see us break a 2 down here, I do not want to see us move back up. Stops can go to break even here. Stop loss can go to break even. We break a 2 down right here. Come on. No. Gold. I know you want to... Oh, there it is. There it is. Come on. Break that 2 down. Break that 2 down. You guys can still hate, by the way, the people on TikTok that were hating. You can keep hating. The trade did not go to take profit. You still have time. Keep hating, and it's fine. Again, we will still, you know, we're still trading here. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah, so just 4 hour bearish inside bar broke into the downside. I want to see a break to the downside. Now, obviously, it didn't yet, but The idea behind my entry is we traded towards higher day. I see bearish. I am already bearish on this, so I want to see a push back down from this inside bar. Can we get that break? There you go. There you go. Say goodbye to this level. Say goodbye to the inside bar. We say bye-bye. Look at this. Look at this rejection that's about to pop open. Come on. 37 buys? Who hit you on the head? Who smacked you on the head, yo? 37 buys? Why? 37 buys? Why would you? What the hell? There it is. Beautiful rejection right there. There it is. 2 down. Broke. And now we just wait towards lower day. We're in a good position to just wait, be patient, and that's it. I'll have limit buys, of course, over here because I'm not trying to be greedy. Like I said, I'm going to set like 5 over here. Set another 5 over here. And then I'll set another 5 over here. And just let it bonk, like go through order filled, order filled, order filled. If we get that chain reaction.
Beautiful trade on MQ.
You took longs, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we're on gold shorts right here. Gold shorts are up a decent amount right now. They are up a whopping 5 points, meaning 50 ticks. Meaning 50 ticks. Broke a 2 down. Want to see us continue pushing bearish? Would be nice. Would be hella solid. $16 orders for sells. 16 orders for sells. What the hell?
Somebody just took a 900 payout.
Nice. Who's getting them payouts with us? Let's go. I requested another payout today, Z.
W.
Yes, sir.
On that one account?
On another account.
That account is busting.
That account will stay a secret for now.
Alright. I can't figure this OBS thing out. Probably just gonna go TikTok live for now.
Yeah, you could just hop on TikTok. Good rejections here in gold. Let's see if we can get that rejection towards lower day. Like I said, I really want to see lower day be taken out. Would be very solid. Would be hella solid if we can break lower day. Not the best, you could say, 1 minute right now so far with these wicks. Not the best, but I don't see a bullish move on gold. Personally, I don't see a bullish move on gold. That's just personal opinion again. That's it. Just personal opinion.
Personal. In my personal life, personality.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Gold, and she had a boyfriend named Silver. Silver was a good guy. He was a hustler. He was hustler university. He become machine gun killy silver bullet session. Once upon a time, he ate too much broccoli, and his onions was becoming funyuns. So then when Gold started rejecting them, Gold started rejecting Silver. Silver was like, you know what? Fuck you, watch this. And then the John Cena song came out, and then he was like, my time is up, your time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. And that's exactly what happened. You guys like the song? Yeah? Come on, Gold. Not liking these candles on the last couple minutes right here, by the way. But I'm fine with holding this. Again, if it goes to break even, that's fine with me. Not really stressing it. I do want to see lower day being broken. W song. W song. Come on, Gold. Oh, it's the last minute for this 5 to close. Move my stops to like here to secure 500 on this trade. We're letting the rest go. Secured 500, so now we just leave it, forget about it, it doesn't exist. None of our business. Not in our business. We just let it go. W song. Your time is up. My time is now. Can't say me. My time is now. Z.
Yo.
Your time is up. My time is now. You can't say me. My time is now.
Meow.
My time is now. Close the trade, bro. You don't just see a bullish candle and you close the trade. Lock the that's why you're not profitable.
That's why you trade ICT.
That's why you trade ICT. Bro, he's a green candle. Exit the trade right now. Exit the trade. Relax. We're just chilling. We're just hanging out. It's not the end of the world. It's not. If it stops me out at 500, it's okay. I'm fine with that.
It's the fear that their mentor gave them.
Tell him your time is up. My time is now. Now. Because he can't see me and my time is now. There it is. Can we get it? Can we get that chain? Bonk. There it is. Nice. Gold. Go, gold. Go, Goldie. Go. Don't edge me. I'm gonna crash out. There you go. Nice. And we are done. Holy Hawk Tour! Where the fuck are the haters? Where are you? Boy!
Damn, my ears, yo.
Sit the fuck down. Sit down. Let me show you a little surprise for your mentor, ICT trader. Size 9 shoes right here. Size 9. Put it up your fucking booty cheeks. Because now I'm not getting no more hate. Where did the hate go? Huh?
Why are these shoes in your room?
They're in my closet. Say hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
Your mentor.
Okay. Say hush, little baby, don't you cry. My name is ICT. Shh. Relax. Stay humble, Kings. Stay humble. Just because you lose one trade doesn't make you unprofitable. Okay? You only need a 50% win rate. Please, guys. Not like actual real talk. Let's relax a little bit. Let's just relax a little bit. Let me just actually talk to you guys. You don't need the highest win rate. You don't need to do much. Okay? You just need to simply trade what? Focus on a 50% win rate with a 1 to 2 RR system. You get stopped at 5 trades. And then 5 trades you win. And if you have a 1 to 2 RR multiple, you are profitable. It's called math, right? So that's, it's called math. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. You do that, right? And that's it. That's all that matters. I don't care what system you trade. I genuinely don't care if you trade it fair value gaps, whatever you got to do. Whatever works for you, go ahead and do it. All that hate about ICT, whatever, I'm throwing, these are just for the freaking content, yo guys, please lock in. It's for the content. Also, I am saying the facts about him not being profitable. He is not profitable. I don't even personally know I don't know the man myself, but he is not profitable. That's a fact. He has failed the Robbins Cup 4 times. That's a fact. I'm not giving you guys just false stuff. I'm not saying just random shit. Just please, like, leave that nonsense away and just find your system, find your edge, right? You need help. There's people out there that will help you. Look at that dump, man. Look at that. There's the 20s. There's the 20s on gold. There's the 20s on gold. Oh my God, look at that. Whoever called me and said, oh, whatever he said, what was it? Who was it? My boy right here. He commented. He said, whenever Turbo, right here. Hamdi Osman. He said, nah, bro. When Turbo catches the move, he catches the move. There's his words right there. There's his trade right there. That's what I'm talking about. Top tick demon. All right. Top tick demon. Just passed my combine because of that trade. W's. Now, the thing is, please, like, again, focus on yourself. just because somebody said something on YouTube, or even me. Don't even believe me. Matter of fact, don't even believe me. Don't even believe me. Don't. Just do your thing. Again, just always question the people you're learning from, right? I'm not saying every ICT trader is unprofitable, because I could preach very loudly about Nitro trades. He's one of my favorite people, actually. He is a goated guy. He trades ICT. He trades literally breakup structure, fair value gap. That's all he trades. But guess what? He trades it like how? How does he trade it? He uses the price action that he learned from other technical analysis, actual technical analysis tools. He knows the strat. He knows what the strat is. That's how he finds his bias. And he trades fair value gap breakup structure as an entry point. All of his setups, I could literally do the same setups, right? Just by using the strat. So I'm not saying, I completely hate the dude, whatever, because I've noticed a lot of comments. There's 466 people watching now. At least someone will be able to say this. I don't hate the man. I just hate the fact that he is scamming people for a living. He is lying to a lot of people, complicating already existing terms. If you want to be profitable, learn price action. That's it. We took 2 trades. I am done for the day. No more trading, right? So, again, yes, love you all. ICT is a goof. He's a goofball. He's a cornball. Whoever trades his concepts is also a cornball. Let me see some hateful comments. We're down 700, by the way. Now we're up 1,000. Let me see some hateful comments. None? None? Best full port of my life. Holy, you full ported that shit? Yo, let me see that in the Discord. Oh my god, I hate when TikTok does that shit. It scares the hell out of me, yo. It scares the shit out of me, yo. Every time TikTok pops up with that, it scares the living hell out of me, bro. It makes my stomach tweak. Oh man, that audio. Oh my god, my heart. Bro, why did they do that? Alright, anyways. Good trade on the day. I'm gonna go work out some videos. Again, the recap for the whole trade, for the whole thing, you guys can literally check all of it legit on the YouTube channel. There's 487 people watching right now. Stayed in that first trade we took profit. There you go. W, Stella. W. Yeah, because it was already a bearish move. I just didn't want to, I don't know why people were saying. I just didn't want to see that move back up. And I told you guys we had a very bad stop loss placement. That's what mattered the most. Is I told you guys we had a very bad stop loss placement. I didn't want to risk more than I could. I'm risking maximum per trade right now $700. That's more than enough. That's way more. So then, it kept going from here. We took that. We top ticked the whole thing. Look at this. We top ticked this whole move down here on live. Anyways, but yeah. What is your win rate approximately? You are the... So win rate wise, I think my win rate is about a 50% win rate. I'm going to be real. I don't like to go for more. I'm not really worried about more than that. I'm just focusing on a lower win rate, and that's it. I don't focus on having the highest win rate. I'm just focused on getting my money and getting out. That's why I said I'm going to have that compound, the bonk order filled area, because I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm also trying to trade. I'm trying to secure some profits, money, and then that's how the trade goes. We already got a payout. I'm going to be requesting another payout. What a freaking beautiful start to the week. We're already up 1,000. This is just Sunday. What a beautiful start to the week. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. Friday, we have another lesson about the strat again. And then next week, we're going to talk about the strat and supply and demand. And then we're going to slowly get that ball rolling in for you guys on Discord. At the same time, I'm going to be talking about order flow and how you guys can use the DOM, how I use it. You guys saw how I'm using it on right here. It's pretty simple. A lot of people will tell you go use footprints and heat maps and all these. You don't need that. You do not need that. It's just an extra $100 that you don't need to. Discord doesn't tell us when you're live on TikTok. I do. I announce it every time. I make an announcement every time on general chat. Every single time I make an announcement. Let me check some of the Discord profits real quick. Who secured some? Let's see it. Who secured some profits with me? Let's see. W's. Big Cook. Let's go. $500 on 2 expresses. Let's fucking go. What? 300. Let's go. 2 micros was negative 38 W. Let's go. 2,500? What? You're crazy. What the hell? Let me see some more. I see some people typing. 415, let's go. 500, let's go. Oh my, $1,000, let's go, man. What the fuck? Let's go. That's the best feeling, honestly. I think that is like the best feeling that ever exists. Is like Z could verify. Z could say the same thing, right? I swear I'm 23. Yo, I swear to God. March 30, 2002 is my birthday. There, I leaked it. Yo, the best feeling about the whole thing whenever you have a Discord is whenever you bank, everybody else banks. Right? And the worst feeling is whenever you don't bank, everybody else doesn't bank. So it's a love and hate relationship. It's a love and hate relationship, bro. I freaking like I get so emotional whenever I see like people. I'm like, oh fuck, I took an L. Ah no, and I'm like, I check the Discord. I see a lot of losses. I'm like, no. But then the day that I get profits, I'm like, yeah, like it makes me feel good because I'm like, okay, everybody else is booking it as well, which I'm happy about. I'm really happy about. Is the discount code you put out for Discord last week still valid? No. So discounts are all gone. The Discord is going to be actually moving up in price to about $79.99 a month, or $74.99. Sorry, soon, very soon. So if you guys want to cop it at the price that it's at right now, where it's $49.99, cop it now. The membership will stay for anybody that has previously been in the Discord. Whatever amount you paid initially is the amount that you pay now. That's not going to change. But for any newcomers to the Discord, it's gonna be, yesterday's price is not today's price, obviously. Yeah. If you waited for that sweep first, you could have avoided that L. That's fine. I wanted to see that continuation. So the idea was that inside bar on the 15 being broken to the downside, which is right here. Let me go ahead and explain that real quick. Let me get rid of all the, man, what a rejection. We literally top tick this. But okay. And let me explain it real quick. So 15-minute was right here. This was an inside bar, okay? I'm just going to go over a recap right now. So it's also recorded for the YouTube. For anybody that wants to watch it, they can go through YouTube and watch it as well. Okay. So 15-minute broke to the downside. I wanted to see that continuation to the downside, to the downside. Rejected at first, pushed back up. I would have loved to add more positions here. For me, the trade is not invalid until we trade back up to here, right? So we had our stops over here. We got it. We got out of the position, or actually a little bit inside of this range. We got out of that range. Let me see. I think it was the 30-minute high, or the 15-minute high actually. Yeah, the 15-minute high right here. Yeah, I had my stops right here. I said if it turns into a 2 up, I want to be out. So exited that position. We looked for another short. Why? Because the hourly was still what? An inside bar. Overall, if you look just behind, just a little bit, look at the context. Just behind this, what do we have? Strong rejections, right? You could say this was manipulation, accumulation right here, price accumulated, distribution. So if you look at it as the power 3, manipulation, price manipulated up, came back, consolidated here, rejected. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Doesn't require a lot of brain power to understand. You don't need anything to do this but just your brain and a little bit of brain power from God, because he gifted you, ICT term. It's not an ICT term, yo. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution is not a ICT term. It's been in the market since like ages now, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a simple setup. It doesn't require a lot, and that's it, right? Yeah, it should be good in the long run if they're using your stops load. Basically, the idea is that I share my stop losses and my take profits because I'm showing you guys that these are actual profitable alerts. There's people out there who's never heard of Wyckoff law. Yeah, basically, yeah. So there's people out there that will give you guys like, freaking alerts, but they will never mention the take profits or stop losses. Z used to do that. Z.
Yeah.
How are you? How you doing?
Good. Got stopped out on that long.
How is the alerts? Are you mentioning your stop loss and take profit?
Yeah, we're just stopped out on it. Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Z.
What?
Good boy.
Shut up. I like crash out on you.
Good boy.
You still live?
Yes, I'm still live. Good boy. Nah, no. But yeah, ideally, like you want to see like what you want. I'm sharing the stop losses, take profits, etc. All of them on there, right? So I'm not sharing them on like an alert, actual alert, except if I'm not live. If I'm live, I prefer to just do it in front of you guys and actually type it out, and then the move has already happened. So I just prefer that. And of course, you guys should as well. If someone is doing it live for you guys, it's better than alert, right? Unless I'm traveling or I'm in a very tough spot where I'm like not able to go live, that's the only time that I use my alerts. Other than that, I am like literally on live with you guys majority of the time. But yeah. Anyways, again, you guys all banked. We banked today. Good way to start the week. Let's go come back tomorrow during Asia as well. Hope you guys, like the video. If anybody's watching on YouTube after the live is over, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about the video. Any questions that you guys have, link them in the Discord. Take a screenshot, whatever it is. Just go to the questions tab and send me that, please. For anybody that is joining the Discord, welcome in. I'm happy you guys are here. Happy everybody made it, right? And yeah, wish you all, literally wish everybody the best of luck. Whether you joined to hate, whether you joined to profit, wish you all the best of luck. I wish you the best of luck, and I wish you a successful trading week. It's Sunday, let's kill it. Whether you trade ICT, SMC, Silver Bullet, Machine Gun Killy, I love you all. W trade, W stream, W. NYAM, yes, I will be in New York open tomorrow for sure. I'll be on. I'll be trading the same account right here. All right, let me end off the stream on YouTube. I don't know how to do that, to be honest.